Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by securing your camera on a sturdy tripod to eliminate movement. Set ISO to 100 for minimal noise and better dynamic range. Select aperture around f/8 to keep lights sharp and maintain depth. Choose a shutter speed between 1/2 and 30 seconds depending on brightness. Switch your camera to RAW to preserve highlight detail and allow more editing headroom. Engage mirror lockup, if available, to reduce. Compose your frame deliberately using the rule of thirds for balanced images. Include a foreground element to add depth and scale to distant light sources. Decide aspect ratio early, like 16:9 for screens or square for social display. Switch to manual focus and zoom the live view to confirm pin-sharp focus on the brightest lights. Lock focus and recompose if needed to avoid focus shift during long exposures. Bracket your exposures with 1 to 3 stop intervals to preserve highlight and shadow information. Capture multiple frames for stacking to reduce noise and improve tonal range. Set white balance near 3200K for common streetlight color and refine it later in RAW processing. Use histogram checks to avoid clipped highlights and adjust shutter speed accordingly. Remove hot pixels and reduce noise by stacking exposures or using specialized denoising software.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.